35 feature walls for every room in your home. The clean, white walls in this contemporary bedroom were begging for color. Los Angeles, interior design firm Black Lacquer Design created a paint-splattered accent wall to anchor the sun-drenched space. If you crave pattern but cannot commit to wallpaper, Chris Mello, the blogger who pens melodrama, has the perfect solution. Her removable feature wall was created with fabric. The project cost her less than $20. Tile backsplashes are not a new thing. But you can take your space to the next level with this feature wall idea by Anne Loengard Interiors. She added a colorful pattern to a white kitchen by installing multi-hued tile from the counter to the ceiling. Reclaimed ceiling tiles dress up a wall in this New York City bachelor pad by Contour Interior Design. The team selected tiles in 5 different patterns and then painted them in coordinating colors to create cohesion. Painting a single wall a bold color can add a lot of visual interest. Australian design firm Deb Studio gets it right in this room by combining harmonizing colors with contrasting shades. An oversized map spruces up a wall in this playroom by UK-based interior design firm Livers. The feature wall brightens the space with color while encouraging wee ones to learn about world geography. This New York City apartment by interior designer Tamara Magel, an arrow-inspired feature wall gets a fun boost from a topography art print. This Barcelona apartment by Spanish interior design firm Edgy has 2 gorgeous feature walls. Give any room a charming twist with tongue and groove paneling. This feature wall by Gabriel Holland Interior Design based in London perks up an old bathroom. When the old dry wall in this Brooklyn townhouse was torn down, the brick wall was a welcome surprise, says interior designer Alison Jennison. But if you do not have the same luck, you get the look and feel of the real thing using a thin brick installation kit. They make it a cinch to add brick veneer to any wall in your home. You could also fake the look using brick wallpaper. For added dimension, look for textured options. Nothing adds architectural interest like a board and batten feature wall like this one by Studio McGee, a design firm based in Salt Lake City, Utah. We appreciate how the decorative trim throws focus on the framed prints. Savannah, one of the DIY bloggers behind Classy Clutter, created this spectacular feature wall in her master bedroom. She used wood trim to make the design. Afterward, she painted the wall a shade called Wanderlust by Bear. We love projects that repurpose old building materials. This 540 square foot tiny home remodeled by Jessica Helgerson Interior Design based in Portland, Oregon has a reclaimed wood feature wall. The planks came from the home's original ceiling when it was opened up to create a loft bedroom. Why use just one color when you can work with every shade of the rainbow? This multi-hued feature wall by A Beautiful Mess was created with chalk paint. It is arguably one of the most straightforward paints to use because it will cover most surfaces without sanding or priming. Keep in mind that finished projects will have a matte finish that can chip easily. Completing your project with a topcoat designed for chalk paint will keep things protected while enhancing paint colors. Simply put, authentic barn wood planks are way more expensive than virgin boards. That is why we love this DIY feature wall by Los Angeles photographer, Christine Eldridge. She faked the look of reclaimed wood for much less than the real thing. In many homes, built-in storage typically blends into walls seamlessly. But here a two-tone paint job by Jessica Helgerson Interior Design turns storage into a stylish feature wall. The striking diagonal line draws the eye upward, throwing focus on the copper burst light fixture by David Weeks Studio. Feature walls can be subtle. This example by London interior designer Charles Mellersh makes an elegant statement using pine molding. Thin boards like these are a great way to add architectural interest to unadorned walls. You can find them at most home improvement stores that sell wall trim. can pretty much use any non-toxic building material you please to create a stunning feature wall. For instance, is this bedroom spotted on first option. Reclaimed wood shingles turn a plain wall into a rustic masterpiece. Turn a dull, cookie-cutter room into a space of distinction with this dazzling feature wall idea by Tina Marie Interior Design. The company based in Lake Mary, Florida created the wall with store-bought millwork. Afterward, it was painted a shade called Smoky Taupe by Benjamin Moore. Create a tasteful feature wall in your kitchen with this idea by Tasha. She is the do-it-yourselfer behind the blog Designer Trapped in a Lawyer's Body. Her project repurposes wood from an old privacy fence. Before installing the planks, they were carefully cut to create a herringbone pattern. Here is a brilliant idea 100% worth stealing from Play Chic Interiors. They are a design firm based in New York City that specializes in bedrooms and playrooms for children. They used washi tape in muted hues to create 2 feature walls in this Scandinavian-inspired space. KC from Beautiful Havens created this feature wall in her master bedroom with a stencil. First, she painted the space with a shade called Whole Wheat by Sherwin-Williams. Then she got stenciling using white paint and a mini foam roller. The result is a pretty pattern that resembles wallpaper. Caitlin Murray, the interior designer behind Black Lacquer Design based in Los Angeles, says this living room she created for a client with Gothic sensibilities is the perfect mashup of glam punk decor and craftsman architecture. The feature wall covered in floral wallpaper gives the space an edgy Anna Sui-inspired vibe. Want to make your home more colorful? Nashville, Tennessee interior designer Emily Lister used a patterned wallpaper called Geometric Prism by Cole & Son to create this multi-hued feature wall. It anchors the space by tying all the colors used throughout the room together. Carmel Phillips, the home improvement expert behind Our Fifth House, gave a wall in her dining room a little IKAT love. The feature wall was created using a stencil by Olive Leaf Stencils. The finished project makes it tough to believe that Carmel never used a stencil before. If you love tufted furniture, behold this cushy feature wall by Spaces Design based in Austin, Texas. The upholstered wall features oversized buttons arranged in a classic diamond pattern. The remodelers at Versatile Renovations based in Brooklyn, New York punched up this white bathroom with a black feature wall. The dark paint color beautifully sets off the brass fixtures and graphic floor tile. Spanish firm Edgy and Seta used hexagon floor tiles to turn a weird wall in this Barcelona apartment into a stunning feature. Another stylish accent that wins our hearts is the transition between the tile and hardwood flooring. Thanks to Joanna and Chip, we are all obsessed with Shiplap paneling. Feature walls like this bespoke one by London design firm NK Living will add rustic texture to any space in your home. Even better, installing one yourself is relatively easy. Besides primary materials such as wood and nails, necessary tools include a saw, hammer, and level. Love the modern farmhouse style? This wood panel feature wall by Los Angeles design firm Amber Interiors adds a little rustic flair to a contemporary bedroom. Black walls are not everyone's cup of tea, but you can take the edge off the moody color with chalkboard paint. Sarah Bonfield, the owner of Studio Bonbon, an interior design firm based in London, turned a tiny attic into a cozy nursery. Covering the angled wall is a wallpaper called Woods in Linen and Charcoal by Cole & Son. Besides paint, you will need painter's tape to create an abstract feature wall like this one by Jessica Helgerson Interior Design. The mural incorporates soothing tones of blue, green, and yellow that complement the apartment's neutral color scheme. Behind the old dry wall in this Barcelona apartment renovated by Spanish interior design firm Edgy and Seta was a gorgeous stone feature wall. You can recreate this look in your home using manufactured fieldstone siding by brands like Veneerstone or Country Ledgestone. Are you looking for a rental-friendly project? This feature wall idea by Amy Zambonin, the lifestyle blogger behind the lovely things, will not harm painted surfaces. She decorated her white walls with triangles cut from removable contact paper. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.